Yeah, this is my bike check. I got a 2010 Eastern Night Prowler, and I think it's a pretty good bike. It has a double wall rim, and a Eastern hub, everything's stock. The Eastern alloy headset, and a Cane Creek neck. Eastern Prowler frame, low top tube, love that. Eastern pedals, 25/9 gearing, nice. Eastern bikes, clear pivotal seat, double wall back rim too, LB9 hub. Yeah, it weighs about 25.5 pounds. It's about 380 something. Adds up to about $400. Yeah, it's a pretty good bike. Some comfortable clear grips. It actually had gyro brakes, but I hate gyros, so I changed it to a straight cable. I like that a lot more. Take control U brake. And yeah, my bike check.